Hello everyone, to all the outstanding BitNest partner and market leaders, good evening. I'm glad to meet you all today and officially commence our meeting. First, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Amir. I have been involved in the online economy industry for many years. During the time, I have successfully built teams with hundreds of thousands of people and lead many partners to achieve significant achievement. So I have accumulated a wealth of experience along this journey. Okay, let's go into the platform first. So tonight, I want to discuss with everybody that the problem that business has been solved for traditional finance method. Since all of us has been involved in many projects, regardless which project we are chosen, the most important thing is to earn money. It is crucial that the income is stable, secure, and long term. We hope that while we are earning the money from the project we join, we also can bring our partners along to earn together. So no matter what happens, no matter what stage the project reach, we will not let ourselves and our partners suffer any losses. To achieve this, absolute security, legitimacy, long-term sustainability of the project are the primary concern when evaluate projects. So BitNest is a truly international platform. In just 2 years its launch, it has gained popularity and promoted to 122 countries worldwide, with membership exceeding 1.6 million investors. You can see here. This is a global project that has granted widespread attention and join us. So let's first analyze the security and long-term stability of BitNest, as well as the fundamental difference compared to projects we have been involved in the past. Looking back, many of the projects we joined before have let us hurt more than once, whether by mislead, trap with lockup funds, or experience project disappear within months, website shutdown or collapse, or running off. These situations are not unfamiliar with us. It's not new to us. These projects are often require us to download a standalone app to join. So this app will essentially a set code of any technical person could write, package into H5 interface, and then host on server for promote. So once enough joiners will attract, the project will commence operation. However, a common characteristic of such project is that they all have centralized operators. So these operators have the authority to change project rules at any time, or choose to stop paying server rental fees, which could lead the project becoming shut down or stop. So in addition, the project we join in often involve a pool fund. If the manager have incorrect motive, it would potentially evolve into a Ponzi scheme. With the official website shut down and disappear within a few months, this situation have left us with scar from years of investment experience in the industry. So over the years, the various issues we encounter on those fraudulent projects have several shaken our confidence. But, however, BitNest as an international project has attracted joiners from 122 countries worldwide, and its uniqueness lies in addressing this security issue. It is different from projects that rely solely on empty promise. So instead, BitNest ensures that every real profit earned by investor is directly settled into the personal wallet, means auto credit to the wallet. This is made possible by the core technology by blockchain smart contract. What is the smart contract? A smart contract is an unable to change program code written on the blockchain. So once deployed and run, it cannot be changed or shut down. Even if the project team wish to modify the BitNest platform rules or shut down the project, they cannot bypass these technology barriers. Therefore, BitNest's long-term stability is ensured regardless of fluctuation in the global market, and its infrastructure remains solid and reliable. So the definition of a smart contract is unchangeable once deployed. So even the project initiator, a developer, cannot alter its codes or operational logic after deployment. So this immutability is inherent to core technology of blockchain, not something controlled or deployed by the project team itself. Okay, so they can only utilize this technology but cannot manipulate its operation. So if the project team decides to cease operation or shut down, the smart contract will remain deployed on the blockchain, will execute its program function without closure of modification. So even in the future advancement or technology new model, it is still impossible to make change to the smart contract. Clear? And then what is BitNest? BitNest is the next generation cryptocurrency ecosystem. It designed a blockchain investment platform with transparency, accessibility, and inclusivity at its core. So BitNest lowered the barriers of entry for global investment and financial service. So it allows everyone to join regardless of their financial means or geographic location. So this means that it's financial service without any investment amount restriction. So everyone has the opportunity to join and gain the benefit from the opportunity and convenience brought by the financial service. So BitNest already addressed the issue of low investment return in the market. For example, many people traditional invest in bank financial that will get an annual return of 7 to 8%, maybe even lower return. But such return frequently fail to keep pace with inflation. Inflation is too high now. So therefore, like 5 years ago, 100,000 could buy a property, but today it may require 200,000. So all this inflation, the return you gain from the bank or from the traditional financial institute product cannot catch up the inflation. So BitNest effectively solved this problem by providing stable investment income without limitation on investment amount or withdrawal amounts. So it has become an investment for wealth individual in many countries. Besides that, BitNest also solve the problem of high risk and transaction in traditional financial service. We all know that traditional investment methods often come with a significant risk on transaction process. So the operational mechanism of many investment products are complicated, so making it difficult for ordinary investors to understand the risk involved. For example, the specific operation of some fund or stock are not transparent. We rely on the third-party report and evaluation, so that we are unable to know exactly what is the condition in the real time. So this lack of transparency increase the investment risk. So as we may not accurately assess our investment or adjust them promptly, potentially leading these unnecessary losses. So sometimes in activity like stock trading, we may even lose track of where our funds have gone. So BitNest also leveraged the transparency of blockchain technology to address this issue perfectly. So we can clearly track the destination of investment fund through Blockchain Explorer, where all transaction records are publicly visible and accessible to anyone worldwide. So this transparency significantly reduces investment risk by allowing us to monitor our investment in real time and make more informed decisions. This is also why Web3 investments are gaining significant attention nowadays. So through blockchain technology, BitNest not only enhance investment transparency, but also reduce information accuracy, ensuring that every investor have the same transparent information. So this approach enable fair investment practice. So where we can accurately assess and adjust our investment while avoiding very issue in traditional finance. So in ultimate, it provides a safer and more reliable investment experience for everybody. So in traditional investment method, many products impose a high capital requirement and various restrictions. For instance, premium fund, private equity investment often demand investors to have substantial initial capital, deterring many average investors. Additional bank wealth management product or financial instrumental frequently come with specific lockup period or redemption restriction. So several limitations the liquidity of investor funds and their ability to manage their capital flexibility, and this barrier and limitation make it challenging for many investor opportunity to be accessible to the general public. So BitNest addressed this issue through blockchain technology and decentralized financial model. First, BitNest eliminate investment amount threshold, allowing everyone can join with as little as 1 USDT. So this inclusive enable more ordinary investors to engage in high quality investment project. So whether the investment big or small, all investors can flexible join based on their financial capability in BitNest. So besides that, BitNest solve the problem fraudulent transaction and increase the risk of personal information leakage and identity thief associated from the reliance and centralized company. So in traditional financial service, Centralized companies often face issues such as fraud, corruption, and fraudulent transaction. And this problem not only harm investors but also lead to a crisis of trust in the entire system. So centralized platform heavily rely on user personal identity information for operation, which increase the risk of personal information leakage and theft. So users are required to submit a large amount of personal data for verification, which if obtained by misleading actors, so could pose serious security risks. So this issue make financial service costly, inefficient, and increase risk to asset security and personal information protection. So in BitNest, as a decentralized platform based on blockchain technology, offer advantages in addressing this problem. So first, BitNest employ decentralized smart contract. All transactions are recorded in public, transparent blockchain. Then directly eliminate the risk of fraud transaction. So secondly, the BitNest platform does not rely on user personal identity information. It utilizes blockchain technology to protect user privacy and data security. So this will eliminate the risk of personal information leakage and identity theft. So especially for the beginners lacking investment knowledge such as stock investor, future investor, bond private equity investor. So in traditional investment, investors need to spend a lot of time to conduct company performance research, fundamental and technical analysis. So in the BitNest ecosystem, user can simply invest by holding USDT Tether. Okay, this is the USDT. Okay, you can see that this is the USDT. Okay, so for those unfamiliar with USDT, this is a digital asset pledged to the US dollar at a ratio of 1-to-1 ratio. This means 1 USDT you equal to 1 US dollar, providing a stable value compared to other cryptocurrency that fluctuate. USDT is widely recognized globally and ranked as the top stablecoin. Unlike other cryptocurrency, USDT value remain stable, minimizing the risk of asset devaluation due to the price volatility. So as we can exchange USDT direct from our fiat currency through cryptocurrency exchange, where in the world USDT also the world's safest digital asset, because every USDT in circulation, the company create USDT must hold 1 US dollar in cash reserve. So how do we get USDT? This is very simple. We just need to download a cryptocurrency exchange from the App Store from our mobile phone and purchase the USDT direct and exchange. Okay, here So the reason I mentioned earlier that BitNest solved the problem of investment difficulty for investor is because the investment process in BitNest is very convenient. Okay, so it does not require complex decision making because the return on each investment product are fixed and every transaction is public transparent. So investing in BitNest Loop yield fixed return of 0.4% for 1 day, 4% for 7 days, 9.5% for 14 days, and 24% for 28 days. So investing in saving box is even more convenient. As far as I know, many senior government officers in various countries save their fund in BitNest Saving Coin because BitNest Saving Box is very convenient and allow users to deposit and withdraw their own asset and withdraw anytime. So BitNest has no minimum investment threshold, allowing users to invest flexibility based on their circumstances without troublesome restriction and provide higher quality, higher liquidity. So these advantages make BitNest is more reliable and trustworthy investment choice. Okay. So next, I will interpret the characteristic of security of BitNest. The first is the security. BitNest utilize the latest blockchain technology where all transactions and operations are executed through smart contract. So this ensure all transactions are transparent, traceable, and tamper-proof. The automation provided by smart contract ensure the secure flow of funds, mitigating the risk of human error manipulation. Second, legitimacy. BitNest have obtained operational license in multiple countries worldwide where trading in digital assets is legal. So this ensures that as long as digital currency transparent transactions are permission in your country, joining in BitNest is legal compliant. 3. Longevity, long-standing. BitNest's business model and technology foundation ensure its sustainability development. The project has attracted investors and users from around the world. Okay. Then broad joiners. Currently, BitNest project has exceeded over 122 countries worldwide with over 1.6 million members. This not only demonstrates the project appeal but also underscore its influence and reliable on the global scale. Okay. So next, let me explain how to join BitNest. What condition do ordinary people need to meet to join in BitNest? First, we need to download a digital currency such as BitNest. You go to your App Store, you can click BitNest. So from here, you can download it. So here we need to register account, buy our bank card and perform identity authentication. After complete, we can directly purchase USDT and BNB to prepare for the transaction. After this, we search for TP wallets. Here, this. Same, you need to download in the mobile. Okay. Why we need this? Because BitNest is built and run as the BNB smart chain with the lowest transaction fee and the faster transaction process speed. So we can join BitNest with the help of TP Wallet's multi-chain digital asset management advantages. So TP Wallet has been running safely in more than 200 countries around the world for 10 years. So and currently has more than 20 million users worldwide, which is very safe. So after we download it, we need to register a money making account for our own. Okay. So when you register a TP wallet, please be careful not giving your 12-digit mnemonic to anyone. So this 12 digit is your password, because this involves the security of your assets. So as long as you keep your 12-digit password, you can log in your wallet anywhere in the world. Then the third step, we need to transfer our USDT and BNB from the exchange to our crypto wallet. Then open the DApp browser, log in, connect wallet to the BitNest platform, then we can start to investment. It is very easy. Okay, so that's all for today. On the next section, I will talk about other things. I will use my own account to demonstrate again. That's all for today. Thank you.